Very good morning.
Very good morning, sir.
Good. You are from Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are in. I'm not asking the name purposely. What is your date of interview?
Sir, my date of interview is 1st of March.
Very good. What is your basic degree?
Sir, uh, actually, I have done my matrix from Government Girls High School Ramnagar and 10 plus 2 from Government High Secondary School Ramnagar. Sir, the voice
No,
is
no. पहले आप
discharging now.
रिवर्स बोलना है जी. पहले पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन ग्रेजुएशन बाद में 12 and 10th.
Sir, my voice is coming back to me.
ओह अच्छा. करेक्ट करेक्ट. अच्छा नीचे रख देगा. अभी बात कर लीजिए. हाँ जी.
Hello?
प्लीज ट्राई.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Sir, I have done my graduation in science from Government uh, uh, College,
हम्म,
Gandhinagar,
हम्म,
Jammu.
हम्म,
I have done my 10 plus 2 from Government High Secondary School, Ramnagar, and
हम्म.
my 10th from Government High School, Girls High School, Ramnagar.
Good. Which year did you complete your degree
Sir,
or post graduation?
I'm I have represented my school and colleges in debate competitions many times.
Hmm.
Uh, love to write poems, especially motivational poems and patriotic poems.
Really good.
Yes, yes, sir.
Mhm. Motivational poems you enjoy writing.
Yes, of course.
Can you remember?
I,
Can you remember about 4 lines or 2 lines of latest motivational poem you were very fond of, or you have
uh,
written?
sir, abhi recent on 14th of Feb on the day of Pulwama attack,
Hmm.
when last time it happened, I write on the Pulwama attack about my martyrs.
Yeah,
Can I?
soldiers, martyred
Okay,
soldiers. Yeah.
yeah. Uh, can I tell you about
Yeah,
them
yeah. Was it in English or in Hindi?
in Hindi?
अच्छा बताइए.
ओके। शहादत देते हैं हर बार कई जवान, हो जाते हैं अपने वतन के लिए कई कुर्बान। बिलखती रोती माएँ उनकी, पुकारते अपने पापा को बच्चे उनके, जिनकी रूह में है इतना जुनून, जिनको है भारत में होने का सुकून। बहते खून के हर कतरे में है जिनका वजूद, बलिदानों की भेंट चढ़ गए वो सपूत। ऐसा है मेरे भारत का रूप, जान की परवाह ना की उन्होंने, जान अपने वतन के लिए दी उन्होंने।
Excellent.
भारत के कोने से आया वो नौजवान, भारत की सरपरस्ती के लिए कर गया वो अपना नाम। हम रात को सोते हैं क्योंकि वो सरहद पर पहरा देते हैं,
Super.
बर्फ को पिघालते हैं फिर हाथ मुंह धोते हैं। देश जब मुश्किल दौर से गुजरता है, हर खतरे से बिड़ जाने वाली हमारी आन बान शान जिनसे जुड़ी है, देश याद तब उनको करता है। चाहे हो किसी साइक्लोन की परिस्थिति या हो किसी बाढ़ की स्थिति, जंगलों में आसमां के तले रातें गुजारते हैं वो। हम पढ़ते हैं जंगल का राजा शेर होता है, एक साथ कई शेरों को अपने जिगर में पालते हैं वो। कभी खाते हैं सूखी रोटी, कई बार खाते हैं अचार उसके साथ, कभी वो भी ना मिले तो करते हैं अपने पेट का दीदार पानी के साथ।
Good.
कोई था इकलौता चिराग किसी घर का, कोई था रोजी रोटी का सहारा, कोई था किसी का पति या किसी का भाई, जिसने जान अपनी देश के नाम करवाई। कभी उड़ाई गई बॉम्ब से उनकी पूरी कानवाई, कभी हो गई पूरे कैंप की तबाही, क्योंकि हम सुरक्षित रहे इसलिए कईयों ने गोली सीने पर खाई। वो एक ही प्रण लेकर करते हैं देश की सेवा, कि दुश्मन के इरादों का कभी होने नहीं देंगे सवेरा, जहां रात पड़ जाए वहीं करते हैं बसेरा। ये लड़ाई हिंदू या मुसलमान की नहीं है, ये लड़ाई सिख या ईसाई की नहीं है, ये लड़ाई इंसानियत की है जिसमें हैवानियत की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है। आज ललकारती है हर आवाज हिंदुस्तान की, कि जिस मंसूबे से तूने कईयों की लाशें बिछा दी, उन नापाक इरादों को कामयाब होने नहीं देंगे। बस तू इतना समझ ले, तेरा सूरज कभी हम उगने नहीं देंगे। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Good. The last few lines का meaning क्या है?
वट
The last few lines में सूरज something you were telling. What is the meaning in that?
सर, ये मैंने
Finally,
जैसे
finally,
बताया,
ending कैसे होता है?
it's talked about the ill features in our society. That's why I'm talking about कि उनका कभी अच्छा नहीं होगा जो ऐसा इंसानियत को लाशों में गिरा देते हैं।
I know you said it is not a fight against this or that, it is a fight against humanity. And
Yes, of course.
yeah, and we are all indebted to the warriors, that is the soldiers. And
Yes,
they are
sir.
taking care of us during the nights and days and during
Yes,
catastrophe or whatever it is. So we owe
yes,
a lot to them, something like that, na?
yes, of course, of
I
course.
think you have praised the Indian soldiers who are taking care of us.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, and you have thanked
We are
them.
at our homes, feel safe because of them.
Yeah, you have thanked them. That's really great. This type of writing cannot come unless. What is your father?
Sir, my father is retired soldier of Indian Army.
ये तो अदरवाइज ये राइटिंग तो नहीं आएगा जी. ये या ये स्कूल टीचर का.
I feel that there is something in my blood.
Yeah, no, ये writing cannot come for a school teacher's daughter or merchant's daughter or a politician's daughter. ये आएगा only for policemen or say soldiers का daughter, those who really feel for it. I
Yes,
know,
sir.
I know. But of course, were you interested in joining army or not?
Sir, I was not that much aware about that in my initial study days. Uh,
So,
I want to contribute for my nation. I want to serve for the people of my nation, wherever the field it is.
excellent. What is the final degree you did?
Sir, I have done my graduation in science
Oh,
from Government College, Gandhinagar,
how much?
Jammu.
What is the percentage scored by you?
Sir, 63%.
Excellent. Good. Now
Thank you, sir.
you are coming to banking.
Yes,
अच्छा,
sir.
बैंकिंग में आने के बाद में आप क्या करना चाहिए आपको, या आपका आइडिया है आपको क्या क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देंगे, वो कैसे आप करेंगे?
Sir, I genuinely believe that whatever I do, whatever the field it may be, there are lots of challenges, and banking sector is filled with the challenges. And I love challenges. I love to take them because it makes me realize about my strength. Uh,
Correct.
the whatever the task may be given to me, I maybe I don't feel about whether I lose or win. I feel to take the task on my own. I try hard to face it and try my best to do it and finish it.
सोनिया जी, इस क्वेश्चन के लिए तो ये आंसर नहीं है, क्योंकि हमने पूछा आपका रोल क्या होगा, आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या होगा. आपने ये बोलना है that I'll be supervising the work of the clerical staff, say
Okay.
passing of vouchers, receiving of cash, making of remittances, like that आप बताना है. This is a
Okay.
this is a point based question where I ask
Okay.
generally in about personality, whatever you said will go. समझ गया?
Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah, can you try now? What is the job role of an officer in a bank?
If I got selected as probationary officer in JNK Bank,
No,
I
ऐसा मत बोलो ना. When I join as so and so, ऐसा positively बोलो.
okay, when I joined as an officer in bank,
Hmm.
I lead my team. I motivate them.
Hmm.
They work with me. I uh, guide my team under my
Hmm. Correct.
priority.
Hmm. नो आपको फिर भी जो हमने बोला वो मन में नहीं रखा. हमने क्या बोला? आई विल बी इन चार्ज ऑफ सुपरवाइजिंग द वर्क ऑफ क्लरिकल स्टाफ. I will
Okay.
pass the vouchers.
Okay.
I will be in charge of issuing of fixed deposit receipts, RD account, and also effecting remittances, like that.
Okay.
कॉन्सेप्ट को बताना है जी.
Okay. Okay.
आप तो जानते हैं बैंक का अंदर में जाने से क्या क्या सेक्शन है, सब काम में सेक्शन में ऑफिसर का जो काम है इसको बताना है. आप बाद में ट्राई
Okay.
कर.
Okay, sir.
यू प्रिपेयर
Okay,
योरसेल्फ.
sir. Like that, I will supervise my clerical staff.
हाँ.
I will pass the vouchers. I will issue the fixed deposit receipts and other remittances.
Like that. Very good.
Okay.
आपका पिताजी served in Indian Army, correct?
Yes, yes.
When did he retire?
He retired in 2003.
After that, how is he keeping himself busy?
So currently he is working as a security guard in Gujarat in Opal plant.
Oh, good, good, good.
Okay.
Acha, even now he is working.
Yes.
Very good. I appreciate him. Good. How many siblings do you have?
So we are three siblings. I am the eldest one,
Mhm.
and my brother is elder than my sister.
Okay. Good, 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 good. Excellent. Now, can you tell me what are the loan facilities given by Jammu and Kashmir Bank?
So there are various loan facilities given by JNK Bank,
Hmm.
like